Jazzy Joe Entertainment presents Jazzy Joe's Memorable Adventures.
Everything ends, but memories last forever. Hi everyone. Yes, we have started on our journey. Today we are going towards Uttarakhand, and let's see what are the places we can visit. The challenge is that I have one day. So I started in the morning. It's early morning right now, around 3 o'clock, 3:15, and we've started from Delhi. And let's see what we can see. I have to be back by the night. So that's the challenge. That what can we do in one day? Uttarakhand is not too far away from Delhi. Maybe we're going to cover about 500 kilometers, 600 kilometers today in one day. And I hope to see a few places. So let's see what we can do. See you at our first stop. Uttarakhand, formerly known as Uttaranchal, is a state in the northern part of India. It is often referred to as the Devbhumi, which literally means land of the gods, due to its religious significance and numerous Hindu temples and pilgrimage centers found throughout the state. And as we move on in our journey, our first stop also happens to be of religious significance. Hey guys, here we are, our first destination in Uttarakhand. This is the Patanjali Yogpeeth. This is an institution which has been promoted by Baba Ramdev, the famous yoga guru. He's got these institutes all over India. He sells some of his stuff here in the mega store, and then you can see the building behind me. Of course, the Indian flag, the great Indian flag here. And it's a beautiful place. If you can see here, it's got flowers, everything. Very beautifully made. And that is the hospital, the Patanjali Ayurveda Hospital. The Ganges or Ganga is a sacred river to Hindus along every fragment of its length. All along its course, Hindus bathe in its waters, paying homage to their ancestors and their gods by cupping the water in their hands, lifting it and letting it fall back into the river. They offer flowers and rose petals and float shallow clay dishes filled with oil and lit with wicks or diyas. And even in the last rites, the Ganga has a very, very special role as the ashes are immersed in it. And from here, now we move on to lunch. Hey guys, now we are in Rishikesh, again in Uttarakhand, and you can see we're having a little bit to eat. This is the Indian thali, which is kind of a potpourri, little bit of everything. You've got rice, you've got paratha, you've got papad, you've got a bit of salad, you've got curd, and you've got a couple of dal and paneer. And this is a lovely city. It's a city again of the Ganges, as you can see this. This is the name of the restaurant, Shivai, and it's the name of Ma Ganga or Mother Ganges. And here is the Ganges. Once again, you can have a look. And it's a bit different from the last time you saw it. That was very powerful, very strong. Here it is peaceful, serene, and a few people are enjoying. And you can see the mountains in the background. So this is what we are enjoying today. And after we have our meal, we're going to go to a place called Lakshman Jhula. Lakshman Jhula in Rishikesh is a suspension bridge across the river Ganges. It is said that the Hindu deity Lakshmana crossed the Ganges on jute ropes where the bridge is found. Lakshman Jhula was completed in 1929. And after sightseeing, we thought we should enjoy the local flavors too, and we decided to do that with a local drink.
Hey guys, you can't travel by road in India and not try this drink. This is called shikanji. It's a mixture of fresh lemons, salt and sugar. So something like ORS. It gives you full power. And that is what we are doing. We are trying to get our glass of shikanji on the way. We are still in Uttarakhand, traveling there. Thank you. Thank you. Catch you at the next spot.
And then it was time to go to our final destination today in Uttarakhand, Dehradun, which is the capital, the largest city, and also the most populated city in Uttarakhand. And we are going there to meet someone special, and it is going to be on the top of a mountain.
Right, guys? And now we are still in Uttarakhand, but we are in a place called Dehradun. It's called as the City of Love. And we are here for a special reason. In fact, this is the main reason that I came to Uttarakhand for. I have got to know that the actor Rahul Roy is in Dehradun. So we are going to try to get his autograph today. We are going to try to meet him, and let's see how it goes. And here you see that we managed to meet him, and he was very happy, he was very healthy, and he signed this autograph on the record of Ashiki for me. So my trip to Dehradun has been very, very successful. Yes, guys, that was my trip to Uttarakhand. We managed to go to Haridwar and Rishikesh, and finally to Dehradun to meet Rahul Roy, whom I wanted to meet and get his autograph on the LP record of the movie Ashiki, the super hit movie. So we managed to do that, and now we are going down the mountain. We are on our way back to Delhi, and it's a beautiful place. And the best part is that we managed to do all of this in a single day. So now time to go back home.